So I always hold in full elevator when I'm taxiing to make sure the tail stays on the ground. Line up on the runway, we're ready to go. Final check, because I'm paranoid on maiden flights that everything is going the way it should do. So many people have done a maiden flight and their ailerons are going the wrong way. But I'm a bit paranoid about that thing. Even after 5 flights, I'm paranoid. So here we go. Right, so up high, just got to trim it out. So a little bit of aileron trim needed. That's good, I think. Bring it back. I think a bit of up elevator needed. It's always the first thing to do when you fly a new plane for the first time. Make sure it actually flies level, straight and level with hands off, and that is about right. That I'm hands off on the transmitter, slightly to the right, but we won't worry about that. And then we can settle into it. So let's give the cameraman, Nick's on camera today. Make it easy for him. Should be getting some nice tight shots. Let's do that again from the other way. Oh, low flying helicopter. He's below 400 feet. So we're good. Nice roll. Keep it basic for the maiden flight. Roll that way. Pretty good. High knife edge. Nice. Come on. Knife edge. Like that. And I'm only using half throttle to do that. Let's do that again that way. Little knife edge all day, and that's only half the rudder throw I'm using to do that. Stall turn, kick it over. Same this way. Nice. It's all basic stuff. It obviously should be able to do. I'm not much of a 3D pilot, but basic aerobatics, everybody should be able to do that once you've flown a high winger a few times. Bit windy, but it's cutting through it okay. Bit of inverted flight. Power, power, power. It's got loads of power. I'm not even using full power to do the loop. No surprise on something this light that's got a 6S power system. We'll do a loop coming the other way. Lovely. Back into wind. Whoa! Bounce and go. I think that's because it's so light. And the wind is moving around a little bit. No excuses. It's a bit of a crosswind today. Oh, come on. I didn't worry with flaps because it's there's so much wind. Good enough for a first flight. I think most of us are happy if we bring the model back in one piece on a maiden flight. So there you go, that's the new OMP Bushmaster. Lots of space inside that fuselage for big batteries and anything else you want to put in there. Super easy to put together, really, really stable. From my friend Darren at iactiverc.com, so look it up on iactiverc.com for the price. The link is in the video description and pinned comment. But otherwise, thanks for watching this. Thanks to Nick on camera. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Bye.